Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tyler Lawson and today is a fun Friday. Yes, it's finally here once again. We always love to see some fun Friday, of course, man. But but yeah, so we're gonna get started right about now. And this one is the top 50 moves of Nightingale by my good favorite of mine, Thunderfile. So, in case you don't know who Nightmare, oh, sorry, uh, Willow Nightingale is, um, she's, she's actually a fun wrestler, of course, because, she's all bubbly, personality and stuff. I mean, that's how almost most of the people are more bubbly as usual. if I have a if I have a friend like that, of course. But but yeah, she's a very good wrestler, of course, and I thought I have a crush on her because of it. Like, oh, that's so sweet and cute that you have a crush on Willow. But then she started seeing something else, so yeah. But that's how, and that's why my heart's still broken, of course. Like, damn. But it doesn't matter. I ain't no stalker, anyways. I'm just saying what the story it is, man. But yeah, that's all. That's all, man. 'Cause I know, 'cause, I heard that he's over at AEW, of course, which is cool. I would love to see more of Willow, of course, and see what she's all about. Maybe she could be next up the AEW um, TBS Women's Championship or AEW Women's Championship, of course. That's how I more normally wish for it, just in case. But yeah, let's check it out in 5, 4, 3, 2.
From Long Island, New York, she's got big hair and an even bigger smile. She's the babe with the power, Willow Nightingale.
Listen, for everybody watching at home, you probably don't know what this is, but Willow Nightingale is what we call a kiki. She's just a good time. You just love being around her.
Always energetic fan favorite Willow Nightingale making her way to the ring.
The babe with the power, Willow Nightingale.
Like Layla slamming her forearm.
Oh, man. Yeah. Knock him off the apron.
Oh, big chop.
No!
Nightingale bringing everything she has to Chase Holiday.
Barrazo, caught with the bulldog at short range.
Oh, and Willow doing the cartwheel.
Kick. There we go. She's got her. And Sakini.
Double no blossa kick. Beautiful spinning kick.
Wrestling career and has come out on the best side each and every time.
Ooh, really nice.
With perfection. There's a senton to follow. Off the ropes. And the crossbody. Beautiful rolling senton. Off the ropes. Beautiful crossbody.
Rolling over with the body weight. Cross body, hook in the leg.
Airman's carry. She may have something big here. Samoan drop.
Got her up in the fireman's.
Yes!
Oh, Samoan of her own.
A whole lot of verbal communication between them. Oh! Showing cowardice. Trust fall down on the.
Trust fall?
Check this out.
I'm going for Willow.
Getting wild as Vanette in the corner.
Going to work here. Picks her up. Side slam position. Drop pull Savoy. Oh, no.
From Willow. Little dance there. Oh, before depositing her right down. Oh. Neck breaker by Ike.
Neck break. Save Becca there. And there's a spinning neck breaker. Still in this. What? Big slam.
Tag was made, I believe. Big power slam.
He is caught. Power slam out of the corner.
Here we go. German.
Oh my God.
Big German suplex.
Big German!
These slams, man. Nice. Oh, I spoke German suplex.
Boys, that shot as well. German suplex!
And she folded her.
It's up for a powerbomb. Powerbomb.
She came from, you know.
Shane Riley even predicted this was a.
Oh!
Backstabber!
Probably feeling the effects of the last match. Due to those blows.
Ducks the clothesline, does Willow. Backtracker.
That reminds me of the Wild Samoans there. Now back elbow. Oh, and a roundhouse.
Four-way. Ashley Box got the victory, and then she went on to compete in the.
Oh man! Now
Big boot from Becca, but Nightingale bounces back. Oh, turn inside out.
And what does Willow have in that?
Take a big lariat.
Willow herself more than those kicks. Nice lariat.
Both ladies throwing bombs. Oh my, that lariat.
Hands yourself. Oh, don't worry, I normally do.
Oh my God.
Whoa, hey.
No.
She's got her up. No!
Oh, hey. These ladies are terrible. They can both be counted out, but Willow Nightingale, the power of the strength.
Willow Nightingale brings her up for the suplex and right down.
And the counters. Leg hook, fisherman bridge.
Oh my. Fisherman. Beautiful bridge.
MV Young, that shows you. She's got no fear. She'll take on the best.
Her attack hard to watch her. That beautiful.
beautiful fisherman suplex. Look at that foot.
Advantage. And one of the things you can do is there's an incredible cartwheel into a super kick from
Nightingale. Oh, wait a minute. Big super kick. And then power advantage and size advantage of Nightingale.
Trying for the birds.
Oh.
And here, look at her fly.
Nice been competing as of late and turning away wrestlers. Oh, they've stepped up to her title.
She was the chosen one.
Future rules.
I certainly did it. I don't think referee to the corner. Caught. Uranagi into a slam. Nice.
Ducks the clothesline. Oh!
Not a place you want to be. Oh!
Uh-oh.
Oh,
no! Gigantic super.
From the second rope. Superplex.
Oh! Wow. Stoic superplex.
Oh, into a lung blower.
Enough momentum there.
Oh! The Stampede. Relentless.
Oh, there's Oklahoma Stampede.
She nailed it.
Oklahoma Stampede.
The Stampede.
Cover your ass. Hooks the leg. Oh, keeps for that side rushing. Leg sweep. Oh, nasty.
Oh, check out. Check out.
I know she got a lot of. Ooh, speaking of which, okay. I see
There it is.
Speaking of which, okay. I see it.
Damn, okay.
Damn, okay. Okay. Damn, girl, okay.
Kicks and
Okay, girl.
hits to the punches. Excuse me, tongue tied here, but right now Willow Nightingale has got Hirsch all tangled up.
That's
The
it.
attitude of Willow Nightingale. Holy shit!
Holy fucking shit.
Holy fucking shit. Oh.
Willow catches him. Sit out power bomb.
Oh, middle rope.
The gut wrench into the German with the
Gale up on top.
Oh. Alec Price with a crash.
Together here. Oh, big drop kick.
Second rope. Big time drop. See some double team.
Nice missile drop kick.
Drop kick by Nightingale.
He now stepping over. The step over Toho face lock, the STF.
Oh no, is Brooke Valentine gonna tap out to Willow Nightingale?
Center of the ring.
Hit her.
Oh.
Instead, blocking that grip. Savannah Evans tapped.
He tapped out.
That could be the first one.
Double STF.
And there it is.
The boot.
3 amazing moves.
Suplex by Willow.
Rolling
RFP,
through.
80 degree roll.
Going for a second one, I believe.
He's going for the 3 amigas. Is that the Spanish word opposite of amigas?
Oh, amiga.
Maybe 3 senoritas.
Yeah.
Yes. That's some good strength on that suplex.
Willow Nightingale, we saw her Rise debut just last night. She was actually part of the Rise 3 seminar with Dr. Tom Pritchard.
Big suplex. Oh! Big snap suplex. Oh, my goodness.
Able to pivot those hips.
I know. Could it be a little Eddie Guerrero?
Little 3 amigos action here from Willow Nightingale, showing her power, able to pull Scott.
Oh!
And 3 it is. To do anything.
And there you see a spine buster from Nightingale.
Oh!
Momentum can shift in a wrestling match. And a spine buster by Willow.
Gutting out through the pain. Oh, what a nice.
I don't get it.
Oh, senton! It's a legally blonde wrestler.
Here comes that senton.
And a senton splash.
Eagle kick. And now, here's the senton.
The you go from last time we worked together.
Oh, senton.
The senton she went for earlier finally connected.
Her face as Willow charging in.
Here it comes. Cannonball.
And Nightingale, somersault senton into the corner.
Gets fired up. The straps are down. And a cannonball of her own.
Look at that. She is moving now.
Oh, shit!
Shoot! Sends her into the rope. Chris Cross! Pound! Pound! She's out for... Look at that. She is moving now.
Thank you.
Shoot! Sends her into the ropes. Chris Cross! Pound! Pound! She's out for...
Pound! Pound! God damn!
The ropes. There is the pounce.
God damn!
This small thing, it's honestly not the most important thing, but it is something I notice and care about. I love the color coordination of the bird and the bee with the blue, the white, and the gold. They absolutely look.
Oh, fisherman suplex. Anya getting into this. Definitely has the strength and power, but you're right.
Yeah.
She is super quick. There you going for the 3 amigos. Hooks the leg this time. Cover.
Together so well. Suplex. Uh-oh, keeping it locked. Another.
2.
She got one more? Oh, into a fisherman.
Figure 4 here. Wow, look at this.
Wow.
Twists it over. That puts a lot of pressure on the knee, doesn't it,
And
Capri?
Willow knew she was just adjusting her leg and getting her into position until finally she ended up here.
Wow. How about this? Wrenching the neck and the face of Rourke backwards is Nightingale right in the center. Oh, boy. Oh, look at this. There is force on so many parts of Trisha Dora's body right now. Her she's going for 3 friends.
Certainly is.
Oh!
Drops her onto the knee.
Goes for another one. Oh my God, right on her head.
So there is some history here. Going through a third. Oh!
Damn.
How do you counter a cold rock, Riccoboni? That's it. Oh!
Plants her down, stacks her. 1, 2.
It does not seem to like us. They are cheering for Willow to get the better of this exchange. And that Fisher.
Oh!
Gotta try that, but no.
Here at Beyond Wrestling, a inspirational
To be a physical tag there. Oh, wow. You are.
Oh, she's gonna suplex her. No, Willow is hooking that knee.
Oh.
Brain buster from the top rope.
Scaling to the second.
Oh!
Rope.
Wow!
Did she get enough?
Moonsault on the second. Here we go. This could be it.
Now 2. And it's Willow.
Power move right there.
Whoa! Right angles.
Oh, what a slam.
Anything to get back into this battle. Oh, back suplex, hooking the leg.
Match, but that comes with the caveat that both want to win. We're only going to see one competitor here tonight.
God. Punching. Wow!
That's trying to pick her up. Olympic slam. Wait, is that Green Ant?
Well, he is here watching today's event.
Oh.
They instantly have a spot. Big motion. Oh my God.
Oh my God!
Oh God. Oh.
Oh, God almighty. Willow Nightingale.
On her shoulders. What is she going to do? Slaps some into the corner.
In the corner.
What is that?
Gabby kicked out.
No, but she. Submission hold in.
Will Gabby tap? Will she?
Modified crossface. That's it.
Gabby tap.
Strangling him with his own arm. Beautiful hook and connection there from Nightingale. And there is the.
What? Fireman's carry. Death
Driver.
Here on Candide, Willow Nightingale challenging Effie for the best.
She's looking for that DVD. Oh, she spiked him.
He spiked him!
Picks her up. Death Valley Driver.
One more time.
Looking
Looking for that DVD.
Oh, gets the Babe Breaker.
No.
Pump handle. Moonsault.
Oh,
Hit
that's
it.
it.
Go for it, girl.
Go for it, Nell.
No way. No way. Moonsault connects.
Oh my God. She sees the title.
Is she gonna hit it?
Willow can put you away. Do we have new
This could be it. Oh.
Oh.
Shit.
Oh,
You wanna
shit.
earn it? You're gonna earn it the hard way. Oh no. No. Oh.
I can give back.
Oh no.
No.
Oh no.
Ew.
AC Mack. Oh, she just about broke his spine.
Got this Death Valley Driver. Oh, second time's the charm.
Almighty. And it's the dangerous Babe. That's it, Riccoboni.
This could be
Dangerous Babe. Dr. Bomb. Sits out with it.
Gale. What's she gonna find here? My God, sit up.
Into a power bomb.
Dr.
See you later.
Bomb.
That's it.
Willow was having none of it.
God wrench power bomb from Willow Knight.
Can I try it? Dr. Bomb. Willow Nightingale.
Oh, that was a good one. That was a good move set by Willow Nightingale. Oh, sorry, Willow Nightingale. Ah, sorry about that. I'm just tired and stuff. But yeah, hopefully we'll see more Willow Nightingale sooner or later, because I'm sure Willow would try to cheer me up a little bit, of course. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see what happens. But yeah, man. Comment down below what you think about it, and I'll see y'all.